everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very exciting and very important.
Yes. Today we are talking about how to train your brain to speak in English.
And also how to think in English.
That's right. Because if you can think in English, you can speak more naturally and more confidently.
So if you sometimes translate from your language to English in your head,
and it feels slow and stressful,
don't worry. That's normal.
Yes. And today, we will show you simple steps to change that.
Let's start with a question for you. When you want to speak English, what happens in your brain? Do you A. Think in your language first, then translate? B. Feel blank and don't know what to say? C. Feel nervous and forget words?
Many students do option A. They think in their first language, then translate into English.
But translation is slow.
And your brain gets tired.
So our goal is simple. Right pointing backhand index train your brain to think directly in English.
Many students make one big mistake.
They try to think in difficult English.
Big words. Long sentences.
But you don't need that.
Start small. Start simple. For example, right now, look around you. What do you see?
Maybe you see a table. Say in your head, this is a table.
Maybe you see your phone. Say, this is my phone.
Maybe you are sitting. Say, I am sitting on a chair.
This is very basic English. But this is powerful.
Because now, you are thinking in English. Let's practice together. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Think about your morning.
Ask yourself, what time did I wake up? What did I eat? Did I drink tea or coffee?
Now answer in simple English. I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate bread and eggs. I drank coffee.
Don't translate. Just use easy sentences.
It's okay if your English is simple. Simple English is good English.
Your brain learns with repetition.
That means doing something again and again.
For example, let's use one sentence, I am going to work. Say it 5 times in your head.
Now change it. I am going to school. I am going to the market. I am going home.
When you repeat patterns, your brain remembers them faster.
And later, when you speak, the sentence comes automatically. Let's do a small role play. I'm at a coffee shop.
And I'm the customer.
Ready? Let's go.
Hi. Can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. Small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That's $3. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us. Pause the video if you need.
Hi. Can I get a coffee, please?
Small or large?
Large, please.
When you practice like this, your brain starts to remember full conversations.
And next time you go to a real coffee shop,
you don't panic.
Here's something important. If you want to think in English, you must listen to English.
Yes, listening trains your brain. When you hear English again and again, your brain learns sentence patterns.
Try this simple activity. Listen to a short English video every day. Only 5 to 10 minutes.
But don't just listen. After listening, ask yourself, what did they talk about? Who were the people? What happened?
Then answer in simple English in your head. For example, they talked about travel. They visited London. It was interesting.
This connects listening and thinking. Very powerful.
This may sound funny,
but it works.
Talk to yourself in English.
For example, when you cook, say, I am cutting vegetables. I am cooking rice. The food smells good.
When you drive, I am driving to work. There is traffic. The light is red.
No one needs to hear you. This is your private practice.
This builds confidence.
And your brain starts using English automatically. Many students stop thinking in English because they don't know a word.
For example, you don't know the word microwave. What can you do?
Describe it. Say, the machine that makes food hot.
That is communication.
This trains your brain to think creatively in English. Let's practice now. Look around you again. Choose one object.
Now describe it in English. For example, it is small. It is black. I use it every day. It helps me study.
What is it?
Very good. You are thinking in English right now.
Here's a simple trick. Use English when you make small decisions.
For example, when you are hungry. Instead of thinking in your language, think, I want something sweet. I want rice. I want tea.
When choosing clothes, it is cold today. I need a jacket. These shoes are comfortable.
These are daily thoughts. And daily practice builds strong habits.
Many students ask, how long does it take to think in English?
The answer is different for everyone. But if you practice every day, even 10 to 15 minutes, you will see change in a few weeks.
The key is consistency, not perfection, not long study hours, just daily practice.
Now let's talk about translation. Translation is not bad.
But we want to use it less.
Try this. When you hear an English word, don't translate it.
Instead, connect it with a picture.
When you hear apple, don't think of the word in your language.
When you hear run,
When you hear run,
this builds direct connections in your brain. Ready for a challenge?
we want you to think only in English for 1 minute.
Here's the topic, your weekend.
Think about, where did you go? Who did you meet? What did you eat? How did you feel?
Use simple sentences. I stayed home. I watched a movie. I met my friend. I felt happy.
Try it right now. We'll be quiet for 10 seconds.
Great job. If it was difficult, that's okay. Your brain is learning.
Let's review today's tips.
Keycap 1 Start with simple English. Keycap 2 Repeat useful sentence patterns. Keycap 3 Listen every day. Keycap 4 Talk to yourself in English. Keycap 5 Describe words when you don't know them. Keycap 6 Use English in daily thoughts. Keycap 7 Connect words to images, not translations.
If you practice these steps daily,
Your brain will slowly switch to English mode.
remember, you don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need a big vocabulary.
You need practice.
Small practice. Every day.
Your brain is like a muscle.
The more you use English, the stronger it becomes. Now we want to hear from you. In the comments, write 3 simple sentences about your day.
And try to write without translating.
If this video helped you, please like and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe for more English listening and speaking practice.
We're here to help you step by step.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing.